Raspberry Pi 5, official model 2 GB/4 GB/8 GB RAM options. Introducing the Raspberry Pi 5, faster, more powerful, and packed with new features. Highlight the 3 RAM options: 2 GB, 4 GB, 8 GB, narration, 005 to 010. Available with 2 GB, 4 GB, or 8 GB of RAM. It's designed for every project, big or small. With dual micro HDMI, USB 3.0, and gigabit Ethernet, it delivers faster connectivity and smoother multimedia performance. Powered by a quad-core ARM Cortex-A76 processor, the Pi 5 is 2.5x faster than its predecessor. Potential uses: coding, robotics, home automation, narration, 020 to 030. From coding to robotics and home automation, the Pi 5 can handle it all, making it perfect for hobbyists, students, and developers. Micro SD card slot and storage. Expansion options, narration, 030 to 035. Expand your storage with the micro SD slot or use the M.2 interface for faster SSD performance. Pi 5 running a game/emulator or media, narration, 035 to 040. Experience smooth gaming, media playback, and more. The Raspberry Pi 5 is built for modern computing. Raspberry Pi 5, with all the accessories around it, narration, 040 to 050. Upgrade your projects with the Raspberry Pi 5, small, affordable, and incredibly powerful. Raspberry Pi 5 logo with available models: 2 GB, 4 GB, 8 GB, narration, 050 to 055. Available now with 2 GB, 4 GB, or 8 GB of RAM. Grab yours today.